What's going on, y'all? Back here with another video. It's been probably only like a week since I posted last, but I'm trying to keep at least a weekly video coming to you, especially with this build for the Chevelle and the 6.0. But this snow has been crazy here, y'all, and it's not snowing right now. It hasn't snowed for the past couple days, and I think we're kind of done with it. But we've had like record-breaking snowfall. I think this year alone, just in this past week and a half with the snow, we have had more snowfall than Boston has had, and that's like insane. And the mountains are having record-breaking snowfall and everything. I actually think I'm gonna go up next week to snowboard, just because I want to take advantage of some of that snow and just get up on the mountain since I haven't been all year. Usually I only go like once or twice a year, but so I'm gonna go like next week. But anyways, it slowed things down with the build. It slowed things down with my work. Work was canceled a few times, and you know, if I don't work, I don't make money. I'm not on salary or anything like that, so if I have to work in order to get paid, so a couple days of work have been short. I had to make up some hours at another location, and so that's been interesting. But now things are kind of getting back on track, and so, but there's still a lot of snow out there, but the roads are good. Some people are still actually trapped in their neighborhood, and some people are now just getting out after about a week because the plows can't even get up there because there's so many roads to plow and all that. So it's been insane, y'all, here, especially in the Northwest, when we're not really fully equipped to handle that much snow. So anyway, so that's been kind of interesting to deal with, and it's also affected my time to work on my cars. I've been trying to do things here and there when I can, especially with the Chevelle build, but really haven't had much to do. So however, now I'm getting back into it. I'm actually gonna order some parts today. I'm gonna order the cam for my car and a couple other things. I've been getting some small parts here and there for the Chevelle as well, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. So the cam I'm actually gonna go with is the MS3 cam. So look that up, Texas Speed MS3, the Magic Stick 3, and that's the one I'm gonna go with for my 6.0. So in other news, as far as that build, the Chevelle build, it's probably gonna come to a halt for a little while in the summertime, or whenever I get done with this engine and put it in and little things to get it running and mechanically going. It's probably I'm probably not gonna be able to get with the interior and get that all done and whatnot because of my taxes. I actually planned to use some of those taxes towards the build, and I was going to put the rest away in retirement. And, you know, I don't get a ton back, but the amount that I was going to get back and I was planning to get back is no longer happening, and instead I have to owe taxes. All because of a simple mistake that the lady that does our payroll, she, you know, obviously she didn't know, but it sucks because now instead of me getting back X amount of money, now I owe like 3 G's, y'all, 3 G's, because the way she did my taxes, she did my withholdings wrong, and I basically got all the money up front versus the taxes being withheld. So not only that I didn't take out enough taxes, I also have to pay a small fee for that too. So it's insane, y'all, and you know, I mean, at first I was really mad. You know, I know it's a mistake, but it sucks, and they're working with me. My employer's working with me as well to kind of get it paid off, but it sucks because the money that I was going to use for this build and for retirement to put it away, I no longer have those funds, and instead I have to owe money back. So it's going to affect the stuff with the Chevelle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to just get the engine going, get the swap in, get it mechanically, you know, running, the brakes, all that good stuff, so I can at least drive it. Continue to do some of the body work on it. I have to reevaluate if I'm going to be able to just get the body work done and prime it and just leave it in primer, or paint it. So that's something I have to deal with. And I was going to buy some interior packages for it, and I'm probably not going to be able to do that. I'm probably going to have to wait until after the summer, going into like next fall and winter, just because I won't have the funds to do it. And I'll have money going elsewhere and this and that. I'm trying to stash some money away. I'm trying to take a couple trips this summer. So I was really trying to push to get it done in the summer, but it's probably not going to happen, y'all. So, but it'll just prolong the build. So I'll keep the videos coming, but it sucks because the money that I had planned to do that, I no longer can use for it. So anyways, I guess I gotta be thankful that I have the means to pay it off. And it's just gonna slow me down, but you know, I guess that's just the way it goes. So I was really mad at first and really upset about it, but I mean, what can you do? It happened, and you know, it was a mistake. And the lady that does my payroll it was very apologetic. She's actually my friend's mom, and so and she's been phenomenal and everything with me and has done a lot for me. So, but this was a crazy, just crazy mistake, and I owe $3,000 for it. So, but anyways, that's just in a nutshell kind of what's been going on with me here. So I just wanted guys to try to keep you guys updated on the build and what's been happening, and you know, we're gonna keep pushing forward and moving forward. So my block is at the shop, my 6.0 block. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow, and I'm gonna order my cam hopefully today or this weekend. Lifters, I'm going with like LS7 lifters and some other little things so I can start putting the engine back together. I gotta do some work on the heads. I'm gonna change the springs to pack 660 springs, double springs, and get new push rods and all that. So basically the whole top end will be new except for the rods and the pistons. Other than that, I got my crank polish, so I'm picking that up too from the shop. And I'm just gonna start piecing it back together, y'all. Start piecing it back together, start putting some things back in the car, start working on the brakes on the car. I need a master cylinder and some other things. I got to take the steering column out because I'm going to paint the steering column as well, and finish dynamatting the inside. I bought some firewall insulation for it, so that came in too. And just keep it pushing, y'all. Just keep it pushing. So be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. They might not be coming as fast as I want them to, just because of the finance situation. You'll probably see a lot more videos here leading into the summer, and then in the summer kind of tapering off and me kind of going more into my Caprice and my Regal. So anyways, appreciate y'all. I'm on a break right now from work, so I'm gonna get something to eat, finish my day out, and come home and relax. So deuces everybody, and we'll holler at y'all later.